and you're going to do 1 kaholo. Kaholo, 2, 3, 4. That's it. You're going to do step, step. 1, touch, 2, kaholo left. Kaholo, 2, 3. Another. 1, touch, 2, touch, kaholo. This is the last third one. 1 and 2 and kaholo, 2, 3. So there's 3 steps and a half. A half starts the kaholo. Kaholo, then this starts the set. 1, touch, 2, touch, kaholo, that's 1. 1, touch, 2, touch, kaholo, that's 2. 1, touch, 2, touch, kaholo, that's 3, right? Arm up. There's a place. Make sure this arm comes off your shoulder forward. Don't take it back here, please. Kaholo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this hand goes on your hip. This goes to your temple. It's going to open slowly diagonal forward with 2 kaholos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, from the top. 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step together, step, and 1 and 2. Step together, step, and 1 and 2. That's our second set. And 1 and 2. This is our third set. Here we go. There's the place that I know. Okay. Kaholo right, kaholo left. You're going to open this hand up to the right. Leave it there. On the left kaholo, open this hand to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open 2, 3, 4. Here you are. Turn your palms forward. Make a circle here, and this is an ONU. 1, 2. Okay. From the dance. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Temple, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. Open, 2, 3, 4. Open 2, make a circle. 1, 2. Okay? One more time. 5, 6, 7, and up, 2, 3, 4. Up, 2, 3, 4. No, 2, 3, 4. Forward, 2, 3. Turn it over. Turn it over. Make a circle. And, okay? Come over here. 4. You're going to wait 4 and then you're going to go. 1, 2, let's go. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1. That's 1 and 1, 2. This is 2 and 1, 2. This is 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 2, 3. Out, 2, 3. Turn it over. Turn it over. And on you. And. You got a kind of there. Kaholo, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, and kaholo, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, kaholo, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, kaholo. Here we go. Okay. Not to be such a small. 1, 2. Kaholo. And left, right, kaholo, and right, and the left, and kaholo, and the left, and the right, and kaholo, and 1. I recall. Not too big. Not too big. Kind of small. Looks like you're touching your thigh, hands on your hip. Up, 2, 3, 4, forward, 2, 3. That's 2 kaholos. Up, 2, 3, 4, forward, 2, 3, 4. You're going to take your right foot. We're not going to do hands. We're just going to do feet. You're going to take 4 steps. Each step is 2 counts. Turning left to make 1 full circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. This time your hands come down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, take it from up your leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward 2, turn, and right and left, and right and left. Right and left, and right and left. Can we repeat that here? Right and okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward step on the right foot. The right, the left, the right, the left.
All the way down here.
Right here, yeah. Okay, we got it? Yes, no? Up your leg again. 5, 6, 7, and up, 2, 3, 4. Forward, 2, 3. Step on the right foot, cross. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you are here. You're going to kaholo 1, right, kaholo forward. Huli this hand and open it. 1, 2, 3. Just go side, open the other hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to beckon and me. You're going to do a forward YYO. 1, 2, 3, 4 on you. 5, 6, 7, 8. That hole from up the leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, step on the right. The right foot, the left foot, the right foot, the left. Go forward, forward, 2, 3, up the left, back and forward, and back and me. And.
Left first?
Did I go left? Yeah. Okay, ready? One more time. Up, 2, 3, 4. Forward, 2, 3, 4. The right, the left, the right, the left. Forward, 2, 3, 4. Open, 2, 3, 4. Back and 2, 3, 4. The left, the right. Okay? 1. There's a place I recall. Not too big.
Not too big.
Kind of small. The people
there.
Here we go. Right, left, forward.
The simple life
forward.
For me.
And me.
Hele On.
Again. Say it in your head. Say the words in your head. Don't want my big mouth to get you.
Double in your mouth.
1, 2. 1, 2. 1. Here we go. There's a place I recall. Not too big.
Not too big.
Kind of small. The
people there.
Right foot. 1, 2, 3. Open the right.
The
Now the
simple
left.
life
Back it.
for me.
And 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3 and 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3 and 1. Here you go. There's a place.
There's a place.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Think 2, 3, 4. Out 2, 3, 4. Open 2, 3, 4. Open 2, 3, 4. Figure 8. Down 2, 3, 4. Up 2, 3. Turn 1, 2, 3. Forward. Forward 2, 3, 4. Open 2, 3, 4. Back and me. And.
Hele On. There's a place I recall. Not too big. That's kind of small. The people there know they got it all.
Forward.
The simple life for
1, 2,
me.
3, 4. Left, right.
There's a place I recall.
And open. Open it up.
Not
Open
too
the right.
big.
Open the left.
That's
Figure 8.
kind of small.
Up your leg.
The people
Forward.
there
Turn. Right.
know they got it
Right.
all.
Left. Forward.
The simple life for me.
And 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 1 more. 1, 2.
not too big, fat and small. The people there know they got it all. The simple life